Hi guys, we have here the Schwarzkopf SKP Pro Mini Giant Travel Dryer. As you can see here, really small. It's a great quality limited edition item. We still have some remaining if you're looking to purchase this. Give you guys a quick 360 view of the box. It's a great product. As you can see here, 2-speed settings for fast drying. And so it's great for travel for those that can be used universal. You can use it across different countries. So there we have it, guys, the SKP Travel Mini Giant in the black color. It also comes as well in a pink color for those who are interested. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel and have a great day.